Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy a house without traditional credit, follow these step-by-step instructions to prove your creditworthiness through alternative methods. Step 1. Understand that buying without credit is possible through manual underwriting, a process where lenders evaluate your financial stability using non-traditional documentation instead of relying solely on credit scores. Step 2. Gather documentation of your payment history for at least 12 months, including rent receipts, utility bills, insurance payments, phone bills, and any other recurring expenses that demonstrate consistent, on-time payments. Step 3. Save a larger down payment, typically 15 to 20% or more, to reduce lender risk and show your commitment to the purchase. A substantial down payment can offset concerns about lack of credit history. Step 4. Find a mortgage lender who offers manual underwriting, such as certain credit unions or lenders that specialize in non-traditional borrowers. Not all lenders provide this service, so research carefully. Step 5. Maintain stable employment with consistent income for at least 2 years in the same field or with the same employer. Employment stability reassures lenders that you can afford mortgage payments. Step 6. Keep your debt-to-income ratio low by minimizing other financial obligations. Lenders want to see that your mortgage payment won't exceed 28% of your gross monthly income. Step 7. Consider FHA loans, which may be more flexible for borrowers without traditional credit scores, especially if you can document alternative payment histories and meet other qualification requirements. Step 8. Work with a mortgage broker who has experience helping clients without credit, as they can match you with appropriate lenders and guide you through the manual underwriting process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.